Alright, people. Your man in here cooking like a stir fry. Just in here making a little bit of spaghetti for the family real quick. But this video here, people, is I'm in here about to cook up some pipes. I know I've been getting all the crap about my pipes. I get it, alright? So let me tell you what I'm doing, okay? Shout out to my man Lamar. He gave me this tip. I don't know if this works. I read about it. And we're going to try it. Y'all going to see head on if it works, all right? So shout out to my man Lamar from the track. Appreciate it, brother. All right, so I went and got me a little crock pot. Now, what you're supposed to do with this is regular antifreeze. And you know my pipes now. I'm using straight concentrated, no diluted antifreeze. Because y'all know my pipes need Jesus. So I'm going to need all the strength I can get. But anyway, the ideal of this is you put the antifreeze in the crock pot. Put your pipes in there or your headers and you slow cook them overnight on like medium or low. And apparently all the stuff's will come out and then you just wipe them down and repolish them. All right, I got this here, this metal polish. See if I can zoom y'all in there. Hold up, here's the camera. That's it. This Black Magic. It's supposed to be good for chrome, aluminum, and mag wheels. But so I can repolish them. So I'm getting on, people. I'm getting on the pipes. So like I said, we're gonna try this together. I'm gonna let y'all know how this thing works. If it works, great. If not, oh well. A little bit of goodies. This just stuff I had to replace. Pinion gear and ring gear. These are actually my spares now. Like I had to use them. And you always replace your spares. So now these are gonna be my spares. Gas tank, my I think it was a tank on the buggy, had a little leak, small. It didn't affect performance, but it was like right around there. And the reason why I knew, because I had a little bit of fuel left and I hung the buggy up. All the fuel was gone, it was wet, and I was like, damn, well, I got a leak or something. So easiest way to check your tank for air leaks, you know, with your hoses on. Block one hose up, blow into the top, top hose, and spray it down with soap and water. Watch where the bubbles come at. And that's where it came from, underneath a seal. It was like right there. So I just replaced the tank. That was my extra, so now this is my spare. Always replace your spare. I had a switch burn out on me. That actually what was wrong with the Truggy. When I started up for the A main, it was acting stupid. The switch messed up on me, so I had a spare. Now this is my spare backup. Always replace your backup. All right, people. So we about to get it cooking like a stir fry with these pipes. We want to see how this thing works. Let's see. All right. All right, people. Let me tell you something. This part of the video, I swear, this video got to be like 3 days in the making. Let me tell you what I did. Right. All right. So y'all remember this one? I showed y'all upstairs in the kitchen. I brought it down here to try to do my thing with it. I pulled it out of the box. It was a little stuck. Damn thing dropped out. Crack! I was like, oh, you got to be kidding me. And this one was a 4-quart. You see there. Right? 4-quart. Right? And I was like, oh, you got to be kidding me. And so I was like, well, look, I'll just pour it in here and just use this. But it's a hole there, so the fluid would leak out. So I couldn't do that. It was like done. Brand new. Ain't did nothing. I was pissed. Look at this. They go in there like that. It's like a old porcelain bowl. But yanking on the damn thing, you know what I mean? It is what it is. This one was perfect size, too. All good, you know what I mean? But whatever. So I was going to go back to Walmart, grab another one, but it was raining. I said, I'm out. So I asked my daughter to go. And she was like, man, I don't feel like all that. And I don't blame her. You know, it's pouring. So I said, forget it. So I waited till I got to work. So I went back, right? They ain't had this one. I had to buy a bigger one. This one like a 6-quart. And I was like, whatever, man. So I took this joint out carefully. All right. But anyway, so I got it over here heating up. I got it on high just to heat up the fluid a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can turn this light on. I can't. All right, so you know, heat up the fluid a little bit quicker. This took actually 1 whole gallon of antifreeze in there. All right. So now I'm gonna show y'all the pipes. This the before. All right. I ain't do my good joints, but this is a 9A86. You can see that there. And look at that joint. Look at that. Woo-wee. Yeah, baby. All right, so y'all can see I got some crusties up in there. So we're going to see what this thing do. I got some serious crustos in there. I forget which one that is. I don't know. I think this is 2060 OS, I think. I can't remember. All right. This is 086. Yeah, 086. Yeah. I got a few little manifolds up in there popping. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get y'all. Woo-wee. Look at that. I got a few crusties. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop these in. And we're going to let these sit till tomorrow. So here we go, baby. Oh, look. When you do this, take your stuff off, too. Oh, shoot. Or your screws and your rubber gaskets. Take all that stuff off, all right? You know what I mean? So that... Wait. Wipe that off. See what I mean? Take all your screws out and your rubber gaskets. Alright? That way, you know, you don't damage nothing. Alright? Push it down in there. Gotta see that, gotta soak down in there. One good thing about this big one, it can hold a lot. I'll tell you that. Let it soak in all in there. Manifolds. Alright, people. I gotta take that rubber gasket off that one. I forgot. Alright, people. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight, do its thing, and then we're gonna see what happens. Alright? It's been a couple hours. I put it on low. First I had it on high, try to get the fluid heated up. But it's on low. Let's take a look at it. Woo, baby. Cooking like a stir fry. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, it does look like it's working. It does. I ain't sticking my hand in there though. It does look like it's working. And the fluid has turned like a golden copper, or maybe that's the you know, the stuff that's coming off of it. I don't know. But people, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna let it keep rocking. Let it rock all night. All night. Doing this thing. Listen, people, if you do this, right? Do it in like your garage. Or if you're in a room, open the window, whatever. But because, you know, the fumes, you know what I mean? You know, you're doing the antifreeze, you know what I mean? So let it, like, you know, ventilation, whatever, in your garage or whatever. Alright? Alright, people. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, alright? Alright. Alright, people. You can see it's 2:13 in the morning. And I gotta get up at 3 to go to work, but I'm up answering questions, getting back to everybody. I appreciate all y'all, all the love and support. Seriously. So that's why I was like, I gotta stay up. I gotta get up at 3 and go to work. But I said, nope, I need to get back to everybody. But since we up, man, let's go check these pipes in the garage. Hold on. Give me a second, man. I gotta find them. Hold on, let me find them, man, right here if I trip. Alright, so let's go check these pipes real quick while we up. I'm in here answering questions on the laptop. I'm getting back to everybody. The tires I had to glue up. It's crazy. Alright, hold on, people. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we working with, baby. I tell you what, y'all can see, man, it's black. I still got it on low. And it's sizzling, baby. It might be working, people. This thing might work. I can't even see nothing, but it is black. So maybe that is pulling something up. Because it was like golden before. Before that was green. So let's keep on cooking. All right, people, here we go. We got the next day. Just got work. This thing been cooking all night long. All night. All right. Y'all can see. This sucker is hot. Hold up. Let me turn this off. It off? Yeah. All right. I can't even see the pipes in there. So we're going to take one out. Damn, I can't even, oops. Hold on, people, hold up. Let me unplug this thing. I'm trying to like shoot myself. All right. All right. Let's see what we're working with. All right. They said all we gotta do is wipe it off, so we'll see. We'll take them out. Hold on, let me see if I can get y'all focused here. All right. Man, it's hard with these tongues. Let's see. Something came out of these things. And I'm gonna tell you, this joint smell like an overheated radiator. I ain't gonna lie. Woo, that's hot. All right, people, let me get these pipes out. I'll be right back. All right, people, they out. And we're supposed to be able to take the rag and wipe it. Huh, it does come out. Oh, okay. Okay. I'll tell you what, this one came out really good. 086, that came out pretty good. Let me see something. It does wipe off. Stuff does wipe right off. You can tell how you need to really like polish them again. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. This is 9886. Yeah. Okay. Alright. It's still a little hot. Hard doing this one-handed. So it does come off. It does. It's not, you don't have to, I ain't had to scrub it off, which is nice. It just like comes off with a quick wipe. They just hot right now. They're extremely hot. Let me see. What up, people? Alright, see that? Some of this stuff is like cooked on. But see, if you wipe it, it's hard doing this with one hand. I swear, this smells just like an overheated radiator. See what I mean? It wipes off. Okay, not bad at all. See? Look at that. Yeah. See what I mean? I can't do this one-handed. All right, let me wipe more, people. I'll be right back. Yeah, you know, it does work. You gotta wipe them though. You know what I mean? I don't think they just gonna rinse off. But when you wipe them, it's definitely less elbow grease than, you know, buffing. You know what I mean? Now I see what you're saying. They just need to be polished. But like that's a mark. That's a rub mark. But that's not bad. You know what I mean? Now they are dull. You know what I mean? And they just need to be polished. But it does get that cooked, like fuel or dirt off of it. Oops, oh man, still some of it in there. It does get that like cooked up dirt. I mean, yeah, that's off of there. Whereas though, You just wipe it. Wow. So it does work. The headers came out pretty good too. And it got some of it that sit out in the inside. That mark won't come off, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. See, but they are like smudged up. You know what I mean? So you definitely have to polish them. But it does work. Hold up, write this one off. It does work. All right, I'm gonna polish one up real quick. Show y'all that. All right, that didn't come out too bad. And that was just a quick polish. If I really got my polishing wheel and all that, I can really do it up. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. But yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. I don't even know what pipe this is. Oh, this is the Effects 2108. And this thing was hella dirty. And this is the one that been in the truggy all that time. And it was caked up. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all. You know, do like a split screen or something. Not bad at all. All right, people. So yeah, that worked not bad at all. So hey, if you got an old crock pot or buy a cheap one, Goodwill, whatever, don't do like me, people, and drop your damn crock pot. You know, hey, it does work. It does work. The stuff not gonna fall off, but you ain't gotta that baked up, that stuff that's baked on that you can't. It's hard to get off. That comes right off. That you just quick wipe. But again, you're gonna have to buff it with some metal polish, something that's safe for aluminum and chrome, like just Blue Magic. See, for chrome, aluminum, mag wheels, whatever. This stuff ain't to work all right. I just need to get my buffer wheel, and it'll be good to go. All right, people. So this is your man Rajay 111. That's a little tip. It does work. It does work. I don't know if you want to reuse this fluid, but you know, whatever. All right, people. This is your man Rajay 111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.